Hello, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video, I will tell you about grouped orders in Prodio. First of all, how grouped orders are created in Prodio. Grouped orders are created when you add external order ID while creating an order. Grouped orders could be useful when you have single order which contains multiple products. So this external order ID will create grouped orders in which all those products in this order will be connected by this external order ID. And when you created grouped orders, then you can quickly access them by clicking here at the grouped view. And now what we have in this grouped order view. So here we have option to, like in the orders tab, to view cancelled and closed orders, show only overdue orders, and then we have also option to add a new order from here, and we can switch between order view and list view of the orders. Then we have some basic information here, like in the orders tab. So we have information about external order ID, client, days left, and here is a slight difference between normal orders tab and grouped orders, that we can see minimum and maximum due date, which is based on the, let's say, suborders in this grouped order. So we have how much due time we have, minimum and maximum for the orders in this grouped order. Now we have also option to adjust the columns that we have here and the information that we see. So as in the orders tab, we can hide some information, we can reorder it, but we also have we can also adjust the information that will be showed when it comes to grouped orders. And so, for example, let's take some grouped order like this one. This is also option that we don't have in the normal orders tab, which is to expand, and this option just expands the view so that we can see all the suborders or products that are connected by this external order ID. So as you can see, now we can see all the suborders that we have here and their status, how many days are left, and some more information like how many products are already made, task, and also information about, for example, raw material status, and a little bit more information. And this, what we see here, we can adjust by going here. And so if we just want to see status and, for example, Prodio ID, we can hide all the rest. And now just the information that we've chosen is being showed. Here we have the basic information about the orders that are in this grouped order. And when we click on one of them, we'll see detailed information about the orders, just like in orders tab. But we can also click here, and then we'll have access to detailed information about all the orders together. So we have information about time for all the orders together, about all the products, and when we go down, we have total summary of everything that is in this grouped order. So we have planned and completed cost and time. The same goes for example, raw materials, workers' costs, etc., etc. Then from here we can also print information about this grouped order, open it in a new tab, and we can schedule, close, cancel, remove, or duplicate it, and then we can edit it. And here, if we make some changes, if we edit this grouped order, then data will be overwrite in all the orders connected to connected by this external order ID that we have here. So if we change client, it will change in all the orders connected to this grouped order. Then we have raw materials for, again, whole grouped order. We can check products that will use this raw materials, information about the quantity per order, about quantity used, and when we click here, we will see the usage of this raw material, and from here we can also edit it if you want. Then we have a little bit more information about quantity used, unit, inventory levels of those raw materials, and current and planned consumption cost. And from here we can also order raw material, add inventory receive, release, transfer, and show the usage. Then we have work history for all the orders connected by external order ID. And again, we have quick access to this information, and we can easily make some changes to it. And we have also summary for the work history. And then we have inventory releases and receipts, which we can also add here and here. And like in the orders tab, we also have actually the same options as there. So we can edit, close, cancel, remove, order. So this is the same thing as it is in orders tab. And we can, for example, choose a few of those grouped orders and make some actions on them, like schedule them, close, etc. And we can also export it and change status. Yep, so that's it when it comes to grouped orders in Prodio. So as you can see, this kind of order could be useful if you have order that contains multiple products, because it gives you possibility to quickly check statuses and information about all the orders connected by the external order ID. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.